The cost of health care has been debated for months, even years. So how much does the U.S. spend on it compared to other countries? PolitiFact Wisconsin puts one claim about that to the Truth-O-Meter.
Congressional newcomer Mike Gallagher has received a crash course on health care since taking office in January. In a recent interview, the Green Bay Republican made a claim about how much the U.S. spends on health care compared to other countries.
He says that the United States spends 18% of its gross domestic product on health care, whereas the average in other industrialized nations is about 8%.
PolitiFact Wisconsin looked at the numbers from the Kaiser Family Foundation. They show the average industrialized nation actually spent about 10.6% of its GDP on health care in 2015, while the U.S. spent 17.8%. Gallagher makes his point as Republicans try to repeal and replace the Affordable Care Act.
He's arguing that rather than talking about health insurance reform, we ought to be talking about health care reform because of how much we spend on health care.
PolitiFact Wisconsin says it makes sense that the U.S. spends more for health care.
One of the reasons the United States spends more, the indications are that we have more health problems, at least on some levels. There's more obesity, there's more things like diabetes, heart disease.
PolitiFact Wisconsin rated this claim mostly true.
And you can find this and other PolitiFact Wisconsin reports on our website, tmj4.com.